Have you ever wondered why every Waldorf salad recipe insists on apples and walnuts? It's not just a random combination, it's a story of culinary evolution and texture. The original Waldorf salad was a simple creation from the famous New York hotel where the Waldorf-Astoria lives today. Back then, the dish consisted only of crisp apples, crunchy celery, and creamy mayonnaise. However, as the dish gained popularity in the early 20th century, chefs began experimenting to make it more substantial. They realized that adding protein and healthy fats would create a more satisfying meal. This is where the walnuts entered the scene. Their rich, buttery flavor complements the tartness of the apples perfectly, while their crunch provides a necessary textural contrast to the soft dressing. You will also often see grapes added in modern variations. These bring a burst of natural sweetness that balances the savory mayonnaise and earthy walnuts, creating a complex flavor profile. Today, this classic recipe is packed with ingredients that are sweet, crunchy, and creamy. It remains a wonderful accompaniment to any meal because it offers a perfect balance of flavors and textures. So the next time you see apples and walnuts together, remember, it started as a simple appetizer, but evolved into a beloved classic that tastes better with every ingredient added. Now that you know the secret history of this dish, what is your favorite variation? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more food history facts.